How to stop verification required on App Store. If you are seeing the verification required message when trying to download free apps or update existing ones on the App Store, it is likely due to an issue in content and privacy restrictions. So let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Now inside Settings app, scroll down and tap on the screen time option available there. Once you tap on the screen time, again scroll down and tap on the content and privacy restrictions. Then toggle on the switch. Then tap on the iTunes and App Store purchase at the top. Then at the bottom you can see require password option available. Make sure that it is in don't allow or don't require option available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.